Good morning, everybody. Myself Shalu Goyal. My university roll number is 9335605. Today, I'm gonna teach one lesson of physical science. Students, before I start, I would like to ask some questions from you. Okay. My first question is, when we wanna open a door, then what we do? Okay. Exactly. Either we push it or pull it. So second is, if we wanna stop a moving ball, then what we do? Good. We apply the force on the ball so that it can stop. Now third question is interesting. In this question, as we know, or you might have traveled in a bus, car, train, anytime, right? You all have might traveled somewhere. Okay. So question is, when the bus or train apply brake, then why our body moves in forward direction? Do you have the answer of this question? Anybody?
No.
Okay. So, to get the answer of this question, we will start our today's topic, that is first law of motion. Our today's topic is first law of motion. To understand this law, let's first know about its statement. Okay, this law states that an object, it's my request to all of you to write down the statement in your notebook side by side.
Okay,
After
ma'am.
this, I will explain the statement. An object tends to move in uniform direction in a straight line until or unless an external force is applied on that object. In simple words, we can say all objects try to resist, the change in state of their motion. For example, we can say if a ball is moving, if ball is moving, then it will keep moving until or unless I apply external force on the ball. Okay. So to further know this, we will do an activity. So with that activity, you can understand better. Okay.
Chal.
So for this activity, we require a cardboard, coin, and a glass. Okay. So what we do, I will paste this cardboard over the top of this glass, and over that I will paste the coin. And then I flip this cardboard. So you have to guess the answer. What will happen with this coin, okay? So I believe that you have thought the answer in your brain, but who haven't, for them I am doing this activity. So I am flicking this coin. Okay, I am flicking this cardboard and see what happened with this coin. Coin goes inside the glass.
Boom.
So you have seen already that when I flick the cardboard, the coin remains there and goes inside the glass, but the cardboard goes in forward direction. So can you relate it with the statement? Yes. The statement tells that all object tries to resist any change in state of their motion. So this is the thing which is happening with the coin. Coin like to be position, okay? And cardboard also was at rest position. But when I flick the cardboard, it comes in motion, but the coin who likes to be seated as a king at rest position remains there, and when cardboards remove from bottom of this, it falls under, or we can say inside the glass. So this is a thing happened with this coin and glass. If I talk about my starting question, that why we fall in forward direction when brakes applies, so this is very clear now, because when brakes apply, when we are sitting inside a bus or train, so what happened, our lower body, that is our lower body in contact of the bus, but our upper body is like coin, okay? You can assume like that our lower body is like cardboard and glass is like bus and coin is like our upper body. So upper body is like moving direction and our lower body moving direction when bus is moving. But when bus stops, our lower body which is moving, it can't balance, okay? It can't quickly comes in stop position, but our lower body assume or it contacts, when bus suddenly stops, it also stops. So our feet are in. So our feet comes at rest, but our upper body moves in forward direction. Okay, I hope this is clear. So what we have done so far, today we discussed about statement of first law of motion and day-to-day life activities which based on this law of motion. Okay. So now can you answer me? Why we fall in backward direction when bus starts from rest? Can anybody? Nobody? Okay, this is your homework. But before that, okay, you tell me what is the statement of first law of motion? Okay, good. Can you explain the cardboard activity in your words? Okay, okay. So now it's time for your homework. This is your homework. These two questions are in your homework. So you have to learn this.